This session focuses on activating money magnetism by removing resistance, tension, and effort from the process of receiving. True magnetism is not about chasing, forcing, or convincing. It is about alignment. When the nervous system feels safe, worthy, and capable of holding more, money begins to respond naturally. Magnetism happens when you stop pushing and start allowing. The purpose of this session is to release unconscious repulsion patterns such as urgency, desperation, comparison, and over-efforting, and replace them with calm receptivity, trust, and openness. Money is not attracted to stress. It is attracted to clarity, stability, and grounded presence. This session teaches your body to become a clean receiver, relaxed, open, and available, so money can move toward you without resistance. So sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently release it through your mouth. Again, breathe in, hold it, and let it go. One more steady breath. Exhale. Now imagine money moving toward you easily, not urgently, not dramatically, simply arriving. Notice any part of your body that tightens, doubts, or wants to control the process. There is nothing to fix. This session is about allowing. Now start with the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though part of me tries to force money to come, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I sometimes push instead of allow, I choose to relax into receiving. Even though money hasn't always felt easy, I open myself to natural magnetism. Eyebrow. I've been trying too hard. Side of eye. This pushing energy. Under eye. This urgency around money. Under nose. This need to control outcomes. Chin. This effort and striving. Collarbone. My body feels tense around receiving. Underarm. All this pressure to make it happen. Top of head. This forced approach. Eyebrow. Maybe money doesn't respond to pressure. Side of eye. Maybe it responds to calm. Under eye. Maybe ease is more magnetic. Under nose. I don't need to chase. Chin. I don't need to force. Collarbone. I can allow instead. Underarm. I release urgency. Top of head. I release resistance. Eyebrow. I allow money to move toward me. Side of eye. I soften my energy. Under eye. I relax my expectations. Under nose. I trust the process. Chin. I stay open without tension. Collarbone. I receive without gripping. Underarm. I let money respond naturally. Top of head. I embody magnetism. Eyebrow. I am calm and receptive. Side of eye. Money feels drawn to ease. Under eye. I attract without effort. Under nose. I receive without force. Chin. My energy is grounded and open. Collarbone. I trust money to find me. Underarm. I am available to receive. Top of head. I am magnetic. I am a money magnet. I choose to be a money magnet. Now let your hands rest. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Release it slowly. Imagine money flowing toward you without urgency, responding to your steadiness. You don't need to reach for it. It comes naturally. When you feel complete, gently open your eyes.